Alright, it's time for adventure cook-ups. This will be inspired by hopefully you guys back home. So what we're going to do is cook up a basic, pretty simple recipe we can cook up out in the tracks, out in the road, or where we're staying back at camp, or anything. So like that. This particular recipe, it's something that I've saw someone make, and I'm going to do my best to recreate it. I'm going to call it Firemans Stir Fry, I think we'll call it. This inspiration for this was seeing a cook this up at a respite area for the CFA. So this is pretty much just a bit of a stir fry. We're staying here at the Beechworth Holiday Park, so we're going to make the most of the amenities in our cabin that we've got. For the rice, we're just going to buy some microwave rice because we want something pretty easy. We don't want to be slaving over a stove. Been to the local supermarket, got some minced meat, capsicum, some broccoli, tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, and an onion. I'm going to cut this up and make a Firemans Stir Fry. Let's cut up our onion. Our broccoli, we want to cut a few florets of broccoli up. We'll fry them up as well. Alright, take your capsicum, twist, again rough chop it. You want these stir fry veggies to be of a nice little size. Also grab a few cherry tomatoes. Just cut them in half. So take your pan out. We're going to cook this on this electric grill. Want a bit of oil. Take our mince out. For those non-chefs like myself, just brown the meat off, like you would if you were cooking a bolognese meat, which I'm sure a lot of us learnt how to cook when we first moved out of home. Nearly brown all that meat off. Now we're going to take our veggies. Dump them in there. There's nothing ultra fancy about this, but I think this is going to be full of flavour. We also want to give a bit of salt. We'll also give a bit of pepper and some paprika. And stir it. Cook it up and stir it around. Basically till all your meat's browned off and all your veggies are cooked up a bit. So while we wait for that to cook, let me know what your thoughts are. I'll stick the recipe down below. But let me know in the comment section below what recipes you use out on the tracks or camping or something nice and easy that can cook up, and who knows, we'll pick one and we might use that in our next episode. What do you reckon? Look at that, loaded with veggies, loaded with flavour. Alright, now that's cooked, I'm just going to turn that off. Move this out of the way. Going to grab our microwave ice. Microwave ice. How would that be? Microwave ice. That's twice. I'm going to grab the microwave rice. Third time lucky. And we're going to cook that up. Done. Alright, let's see how it tastes. Yum. That's our Firemans Stir Fry. I'm going to have some more.